Guys, today's video, we're gonna fight Drain Fafnir versus Victorious Valtryek. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Solid burst yung dalawa. Ito di pa dito. Ganyan siya guys. Wait, assemble ko lang. Double burst pala po yun guys. Bila. Double burst sila. Yun guys. Double burst yung that's a draw. 0 to 0. This is the launch. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Here's the battle. This is the battle. Ooh. 1.2 Victorious Valtryek. Drain Fafnir with 1 to 0 points. This is the third round. Na guys, kakalabanan na natin si Drain Fafnir. Wait lang guys. Ito na pala ulit guys. Wait on the shoot. And wait on the shoot. Ay, ulit. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, go. OMG. Victorious Valtryek just got burst on. Drain Fafnir just do this. Boom! It burst! Victorious Valtryek. Wait lang guys, assemble ko lang si Victorious Valtryek. Ito na guys, tapos ko na-assemble. Dito ko shoot. And dito shoot. Ayun na guys. Ooh. Victorious Valtryek with another 1 point. It's 2 to 2 now guys. This is the 2 base. And I'm just, ilang clicks ba nito? 1 click. Two clicks. Ito guys. Ito na guys. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Boom. Another burst. There's the win. There's 4 points. Today's video, naka 4 points na si Drain Fafnir. About on si Victorious Valtryek is only 3 points. It's up to 5 rounds. Maybe this is the last round for Victorious Valtryek or Drain Fafnir. I'm gonna start assembling. Bye! Ito na guys, tuloy na natin. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh! One blocks na laban! Wait. There's the malabo. This is Victorious Valtryek. He got flown out of the way. That's 5 point for Drain. Let's do one more battle. Tapos ko na assembling guys. Ito na. Ang huling laban. Ang dalawang Beyblade. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Lakas ng laban, no? Tinatama ni Valtryek siya, no? Up to 8 na lang. Hindi, up to 7 na lang. 1 click. Drain Fafnir only have 1 click. Ay, hindi pala binaligtadan ko. Ito na yung... And 1 click na lang. Victorious Valtryek. 2 clicks. Ito na.
Ito taas me? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, shoot!
Go.
3, 2, 1. Larry. Rip. Gumagano no? Second round. The last round, guys. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. It's gonna be Victorious Valtrek or Drain Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh! Di ko, wait lang guys, that's your rematch. Di nyo nakita. Tinabalag guys ang tuloy. Ayusan ko lang yung camera ko. Ay, kamali guys. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! There's the battle. Woo! The battle's done. We have the win. It's our biggest winner, Drain Fafnir. And you must see this. Like and subscribe. See you guys and like and subscribe.